Good morning. I'm John Bryer with Distinctive Properties, Utah. Welcome to the enchanting neighborhood of Fox Point and beautiful Midway. As the sun rises, you're greeted with an awe-inspiring view of Mount Timpanogos, its majestic peaks bathed in the morning light. The serene Deer Creek Reservoir sparkles in the distance, surrounded by rolling pastures that stretch as far as the eye can see. The peaceful ambiance of the East Mountains completes this perfect picture of tranquility. Imagine starting each day with these breathtaking vistas where the natural beauty of the landscape offers a peaceful retreat from the hustle and bustle of daily life. Whether you're an outdoor enthusiast, a nature lover, or someone seeking a close knit community, Fox Point has something to offer everyone. Enjoy hiking, biking, and water activities right at your doorstep, with endless opportunities to explore the great outdoors. Living here means embracing a lifestyle of serenity and venture, with the vibrant community of Midway providing a welcoming and friendly atmosphere. As a dedicated realtor, I am committed to helping you find the perfect home that suits your needs and desires. If you're considering making Midway your home, don't hesitate to reach out. Subscribe to my channel for more stunning views and real estate insights, and contact me for personalized assistance with your real estate needs. Let's turn your dream of living in this picturesque paradise into a reality.